Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I have tested positive for COVID-19. As you can see, I'm not deathly ill. However, I did get my first Pfizer shot back on October 29. So this is my day 1 of quarantine. And I'm going to do this for 10 days. So I can document everything. I'm not really quite sure where I got it from because I stay home majority of the time. So I'm a little confused on where I received it from. But as you can see, I feel fine. The only symptoms I have, actually, let me go through the list that I don't have. I don't have a fever. I still have my taste. Just had Oreos to prove that to myself. They taste perfectly fine. I can chew gum, tastes fine. So no fever. My taste is still there. However, I'm a little congested, as you could probably hear in my voice. My glands are extremely swollen. So I have a slight sore throat. I had that really strong yesterday. It kind of went away. I have muscle aches. That's definitely, I woke up and everything was like tight and crazy. I did have the chills last night for about 3 or 4 hours, like chills, sweat, and then it went away. And this morning I had diarrhea. Not that you need to know that, but you know what? I might as well be transparent 100%. And that's it. Those are the symptoms I had. But I'm able to do normal stuff. But I have to be quarantined because I have been tested positive. So I have to quarantine for 10 days. And today is day 1 of that. So shockingly, I can't believe I have it, to be honest with you. But when I got the diarrhea this morning, that kind of raised a red flag for me to, you know what, that's part of the symptoms, like the runny nose, diarrhea, fatigue, muscle aches. They're starting to get more and more and more, but I'm not really, I'm not deathly ill, thankfully. And I'll record every day so you can see the differences, or any differences for that matter, of the quarantine stage of the 10 days. So hopefully, hopefully everything will be okay. But I hope, like I said, I did have my first shot on October 29th, I believe. That was my first shot, Pfizer shot. So technically, I'm 65% protected. So maybe that is why I don't feel deathly ill, perhaps. But I'm not going to do that. You know, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. This is not one of those type of videos. But anyway, we're going to continue on these videos of so you can see the difference. So this will be day 1, and every day for 2 weeks you'll get a different video on top of review videos if I can do it. So we'll see you next video. Take care. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today is day 2 of isolation because I have COVID-19. I have COVID. Holy crap. It's 10 o'clock in the morning on November 3rd. I just got a call from the Department of Health. They gave me a whole rigmarole of... Really? Let's see. Is it right by no, it wasn't Portion Road. I don't remember where it was. I don't remember. Actually, I have to look at my text messages because I got it as a text message and, oh, you have to go here. And I was like, okay, hang on. Let me just go through my text messages here. So anyway, it is definitely was a CVS. So the Department of Health called and asked me a bunch of questions of when my symptoms started and when my actual isolation date ends. So according to the New York State Department of Health, they said I can come out of my isolation November 10th, which is great. Work is a little different because apparently it starts you started your first symptoms, which is interesting. But I ignored them because I thought they were just a regular cold. So 10 days, so November 1st. I mean, actually October 28th or October 29th, which is interesting. Probably the 20. So this is the part that's kind of weird. I didn't get sick during the entire pandemic hype. When the pandemic was full force, I didn't get freaking sick at all. Nothing. I was doing my immune therapy, which is the zinc, vitamin C, vitamin B12, all that stuff. I've been doing it every day religiously to prevent this from happening. So, which is really shocking, is that the day after, or pretty much soon after, I get the Pfizer shot, I get sick. What the hell? Did that Pfizer, and I only did it, I'm like extremely religious. I didn't want to get it because the Pfizer shot uses fetal cell tissue to create the virus, to create the vaccine, and I'm not, that's not cool. You don't do that. So I needed to get the shot. So I got it, and also soon after, I get sick. It's as if the Pfizer shot destroys your immune system, and then you're susceptible to getting sick pretty quickly, which doesn't make any sense. So I don't understand why they want everybody to get a shot. So the people who haven't gotten shots, they haven't gotten sick. That makes sense? It's weird. Think about this for a second. So the people who don't have shots have never gotten sick. That's what it seems to be. I get the shot, and now I suddenly get sick. A little bizarre. But anyway, today is day 2 of my isolation. What are my symptoms? I can't hear. I'm very congested. If you sound like I have a very deep voice, very congested. My glands are swollen. The sore throat pretty much subsided. What else? I'm trying to think. Anything else that's out of the ordinary? I had diarrhea. Diarrhea went away. Not that you really needed to know that, but I'm being transparent. That's the whole point of, JoeteckTips. I'm not reviewing anything today. I'm reviewing my symptoms, if that's even a thing. But I don't know if you know anybody who actually done this, so I've decided to do this. So this is day 2. So today is November 3rd. All right, you're going to get this probably the 4th. Today will be the video that you see today, which will be the 3rd, will be yesterday's video. So it's going to be one day behind, unless I publish it the day of, which is very possible. Maybe I'll do that to get so you're aware. And then I'll still be doing reviews, because I got a lot of stuff I have to review, so I'll still be doing that. So I'll be home on purpose. So I'll be able to knock out some reviews, buy some stuff, and do some more reviews for you guys. So that should be interesting. So I'm hoping you like all the reviews I've been doing lately, like these monitors and stuff like that. And I do have to review this. So we're gonna be doing reviewing this product. This is coming up next. It's a pretty cool thing. It's a 100-watt battery pack, and it does everything. Not everything. It's a AC inverter, 100-watt maximum. Has LED lighting on it. Has USB ports, 12-volt out, all that stuff. We're gonna see how long it lasts and if it's really useful, type of thing. It's kind of cool. That's in the process. I'm actually reviewing it as we speak, but I review it prior and then I report. I don't do it just to, it's not like a, oh, check this product out. It can do this, it can do that, it can do this, it can do that. Buy it. I'm going to show you what it could do and then report back to if it's worth it or not. So, anyway, guys, second day isolation, COVID-19. I'm going to be giving you a video every day so you can see any difference in me, if I can even turn on the camera, if it gets any worse. I hope not. I do have to call my doctor because I'm susceptible to an ear infection with this kind of stuff, and I don't know that I have an ear infection because my inner ear, all my nerve endings and everything have been damaged, so I don't know. I don't feel any pain, zero pain in my ear infections. So that kind of sucks for me because I can't go to the doctor because I have COVID, and I'm hoping that he can prescribe me Z-Pack or something and then I can pick this up so I can get my therapy for that going, because that would kind of suck. But you know, I'm not looking into the camera because I'm confused. I don't know what to do, so I have to call him and verify that I can actually get that and get my ears back to normal again, because I don't want to have any hearing loss due to this. If this stays like this for a long period of time, I can have permanent hearing damage, and we don't want that to happen. So that's what I have to do now. So anyway, guys, I'm going to run, and we'll show you another video tomorrow of my progress. I feel fine. However, I was tested positive. Take care, and we'll see you next time.